sun's rising high. Said goodbye to the shore, it was time to fly. Had the wind at my back and the ocean in my soul. But that sandy bottom's got a way to take control. I was cruising like a cowboy on the sea, thinking everything's as easy as can be. But that little slip of the wheel, a moment too fast. Next thing I knew, I was stuck in the past. I ran my sailboat aground on the intercoastal, where the water's too shallow and the wind's a little hostile. Now I'm sitting here stuck, watching the tide roll away. Should've known better, guess I'll be here all day. I ran my sailboat aground in the intercoastal. I tried to shove the rudder, kick the engine in gear, but that sand's too thick, I'm not going anywhere. The gulls keep screaming, and the fish, they don't mind, but I'm the one here stranded, out of my mind. I should've checked the charts a little more close. Thought I knew these waters, but that's where I'd lose. A little lesson learned out here on the bay. It's a wild ride, but I can make it today. I ran my sailboat aground on the intercoastal, where the water's too shallow and the wind's a little hostile. Now I'm sitting here stuck, watching the tide roll away. Should've known better, guess I'll be here all day. And the tide'll go out, but I'll be sitting here wondering what it's all about. Maybe next time I'll keep my eyes on the line, 'cause the ocean's got